Hey guys, this is a new restore I haven't been to before. You could argue I've been to a previous location, but it was technically in a different city. They closed one in one city and opened one up in a nearby city. Those are kind of cool. Hampton Bay, Design House. Is this chrome or painted or what's going on here? Well, for better or worse, I'm not seeing any parts to anything cool. So I guess that means they didn't part out anything cool, at least. They're, oh, some old motors. That's a pretty cool one. Old Craftsman motor. Their old location did have fans installed, though. Anything back there? Not seeing anything. Cut extension cords. Interesting. Okay, well, if I see anything else, I'll add to the video. If not, thanks for watching.